Hi, this is Mrs. A. Get your core boards, communication apps, or devices ready. I'd like to read a story to you called Cooking with the Cat. The core words you'll hear in this story are look, want and need, we and they, know, do, not, stop, eat, in, on, up, done, put, and get or got. Cooking with the Cat. Illustrated by Christopher Maroney. Look! Look! The cat wants to cook! Look! A book! The cat has a cookbook! We need a tin. Which tin will win? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pot. Hot shot into the pot. A pot shot, not so hot. We take a seat. We start to beat. No, no, no. We do not eat the treat we beat. Do not slop the glop on top. Stop, stop, stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Do not drop the mop in glop. We heat the treat. A spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding! They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat. Now that we finished the story, I have a question. What is your favorite treat to eat?